Hey eBay, today I'm showing you a lot of some retro video game magazines. I'm going to flip through each one really quick, give you a good idea of the condition. First here we have Expert Gamer from October 1998. That one is in good to very good condition. Same with this one. It says Tips and Tricks from April 2005. Oops. Next we have PSM, March 2005. This one also in good to very good condition. Then we have PSM from Holiday 2004. A little bit of crinkling on the bottom of the cover there. Still say overall that one is in good condition. Then we have PSM January 2006. Same thing, this one is in good to very good condition mainly. A little bit of creases in that same corner. And a little bit more bigger creases on the back cover there. This one is just in okay to fair condition. This is Gamepro Code Vault from February 2002. Back cover on that one is pretty roughed up. Next we have GamePro, October 2007. This one is in good condition. We got a big crease on the top of the cover there though. Other than that, it's good though. We have GamePro from November 2006. This one I would say is also good to very good. Few little issues on the cover. Some wear and creases. Some sticker damage on the front there. Same thing with this one, good to very good. And that was June 2005. Then we have a few Game Informers. These are probably some of the worst. These are like the worst of the lot. This one is, let's see, it doesn't say on the cover, except issue 109. And I guess it doesn't say on the table of contents. Oh, here we go. May 2002. Obviously, as you can see, a lot of crinkled up pages here on the end. Not horrible, not completely destroyed, but pretty roughed up. This one's a little bit better. Some wear on the cover. This is 102, October 2001. Not really any issues with the pages on this one. Just a little bit of cover wear. And then finally we have 110, which as you can see, Really rough cover. Pages aren't too bad. This is gonna be what month? June 2002. The pages aren't really that bad. The cover is the worst part of that, definitely. And that is all. So overall, good condition, but obviously you have some that are a lot worse. And a few of them are, I would say, very good, especially that Expert Gamer. That's the best looking one out of all of them. So that's about it. Thanks for looking, guys.